that the Family Court Custody Bootcamp is designed to give you everything that other lawyer knows. When you walk into court and you are terrified and tongue-tied because of what you think you don't know, I created a crash course of that portion of my law school education that taught me how to function in that courtroom. I call it a boot camp because it's fast, it's intense, and it's thorough. But the idea is you're going to be able to survive. You're going to be able to sleep through the night without waking up in a cold sweat. It takes care of the nightmares. It takes the edge off that need to have a huge drink at the end of the night or even at lunch because your heart is constantly pounding. It's to put you on as close to a level playing field as possible with not having a law degree. So that's the program, the Family Court Custody Bootcamp. It basically teaches you how to be your own paralegal and get by in court with confidence on all the important things that you need to say.
What are some things that a parent would expect to learn from your course?
It's 15 modules now at the time of recording, the time of our discussion right now. But right when I hang up, Nicole, I'm probably going to go work on a 16th module that's going to be how to use AI. It's going to build on all the other 15. But as you're asking the question, I don't have the list in front of me, but the idea is it's going to cover things on triage. Look at your whole situation. What do you want and where are you going to go? Look at your present situation and figure out what you need, what you want. That's one element. Another element is how to prepare to talk to a professional. Is huge. How many calls I've gotten where people are just talking about emotional problems. You have friends, you have family, a parent, or you have counselors that you talk to about emotional issues or support groups or something. When you speak to a lawyer, that lawyer just wants facts. The lawyer thinks like a machine, takes data and spits out where to go, what to do, what to argue, what to file, and things like that. So how to talk to a lawyer is of utmost importance because even a lawyer who says they have a free consultation, you're on the clock anyway, because the lawyer has to figure out how much they're going to make from your relationship with them. So you need to be a good client. And that's something that the whole course teaches you, how to be a good client. Other elements are paperwork, how to draft paperwork, how to find it online, where to go to get it. And then once you see a form, how to get from fact to a document that then you could submit into court. How to handle different types of cases. Divorce I don't cover, very, very little, but custody, petition to modify, petition for contempt. If someone is changing location, how to move to a different jurisdiction or to stop your ex from moving to a different jurisdiction with the child. How to handle a high conflict co-parent, how to deal with parental alienation, how to collaborate with a lawyer at a fraction of the cost, how to take your fees that are expensive and turn it into affordable because you're doing part of the work. And that's really just a summary. It's too much to get into, but you can see the curriculum at my website, thelawcenter.net.